good morning to all dear my students. Welcome to our school Suman Ramesh Tulsiani International School Kamshed. Today's our subject is EVS part 2 in class 4. Already we have started, that is the chapter number 5, Shivaji's education. So in the chapter's beginning we have seen about the one point, that was the beginning of Shivaji's education. In that we have seen when the Shivaji Maharaj started education when he became the 7-year-old. Then he has started reading stories of Ramayana, Mahabharata and Bhagavad. Then his father Shahaji Raje had appointed some teachers, and the teachers began to teach Shivaji about the ride a horse, to wrestle, to use swords and a danpatta. After that, Adil Shah sent Shahaji Raje on an expedition to conquer the states of the Naikas, local chiefs in Karnataka. When Shahaji Raje went to Karnataka, Shivaji Maharaj and Jijabai went to Pune. Shahaji Raje sent Shivaji Maharaj and Jijabai to Pune. Okay, so next point of the same chapter, that is the rejuvenation of Pune. Rejuvenation of Pune. Rejuvenation of Pune means modification of Pune. Modification means cultivation of Pune. Jijabai and Shivaji Maharaj returned to Pune, as Shahaji Maharaj went to Karnataka to conquer the states of the Naikas, that is the local chiefs in Karnataka. That time Jijabai and Shivaji Maharaj returned to Pune. Shivaji remembered his childhood days which had spent on Shivneri. Shivaji Maharaj know about that his childhood days which he had spent on Shivneri fort. He could see the lofty peaks of the Sahyadri again and he became very happy. When he went to Pune, he could see the lofty peaks. Lofty means high peaks of the Sahyadri again, and he became very happy. Pune at that time was not such a big city. At that time, Pune was not such a big city. It was a local area. So, what happened afterwards? It was totally devastated by Shahaji Raje's enemies. So, it was totally devastated, means destroyed by Shahaji Raje's enemies. Properties were damaged. Whatever properties, houses, temples were totally damaged by Shahaji Raje's enemies. Houses were demolished. Demolished means pulled down. Houses were destroyed. Temple had collapsed. The frightened people had fled from their villages. Whatever peoples were frightened, they are afraid and they had fled, means they are running. They are venting from that villages, from their villages. Okay. Fields had become barren. Barren means same as a desert. No crops are grown on that place. So fields become a barren. Thick forest had grown on that places, on that farm. Thick forest has grown. Wolves roam in the countryside. Wolves means fox. Foxes roam around in the countrysides. Pune thus was totally shambles and ruins. Means it is totally destroyed village by Shahaji Raje's enemies. When the people living around came to know that Jijabai has returned to Pune with Shivaji, they took heart. So when the people started knows Jijabai has returned to Pune with Shahaji, they feel good. Jijabai called all of them and reassured them that they would be safe in Pune. So what Jijabai did? Jijabai called them, all of them people, those who are leaving their villages, those who are afraid, those who are frightened. She started calling that peoples, and she is giving assured. She is promising them that they will be safe in Pune. People started settling in Pune. So once again, according to the Jijabai's promise, people started coming into the Pune and they started settling into the Pune. cultivating their land. Cultivating their lands. Cultivating means modification of their lands, which has started, whatever farms were there, they had become barren, so they started cultivating their lands, their farms. Okay. Jizabai had dilapidated temples repaired. Whatever temples has collapsed down, they has destroyed, that temples has repaired. In the temple, worship began morning and evening. The town was again throbbing with the people. Thus Pune was totally transformed. Throbbing means it, so many peoples had come into that Pune, and whatever the aliveness has come into that Pune. So thus Pune was totally transformed. Here we are stopping now. Thank you everyone. Thank you so much. Have a good day.